Okay, so first things first, let's create a new assessment. Here, you're going to write down the name of your job position. You can pick the language, the job family, the subfamily, and the job type. This is going to tell us whether the person is going to manage or lead other people in a team. Once you're done, you can click on Create Assessment. Here, the platform is going to suggest, according to the job type you picked, some of the soft skills we have in our library, such as you can see, analytics, relational, and individual skills. Clicking on this I button, you can see a small definition, a brief definition we gave to each skill, plus some example questions. You're free to pick every skill you want. Once you're done, you click on the next button, and then here are going to be all the questions that are suggested by the platform. It is mandatory that you pick at least three questions, otherwise the platform will not allow you to move forward in creating the assessment. In this phase, the candidates will answer to these questions through a video interview, and they're going to be rated according to the STAR evaluation method, since this is basically a behavioral interview. And on the top right corner, you're going to look at the amount of time that each candidate is going to spend to take the test. Once you're done, look, you can move forward to the art skill part. Here, as you can see, you can look at all our library. As you can see, for example, accounting and finance, or human resources, and so on. But as we stated previously, the platform is going to suggest some of the some skills, some hard skills, according to the job. Furthermore, clicking on the preview button, basically, you can look at some of the topics that are basically dealt with in this phase, in this specific test. The author, the author, plus some example questions. In this phase, the candidates are going to answer to multiple choice questions. And then moving forward, once you're done, you can also customize the email that each candidate is going to receive once you send the invitation and the link. And it's also possible to add the expiration link. Once you're done, you can click on the publish, and you have created your assessment. Now you can import the candidates, and you can do that by uploading an Excel file, or you can send the link, to copy the link and send the link to whoever you want. Then the platform will create the results automatically in a couple of minutes. And as you can see here, there is a rating, an overall rating, which is going to include both the hard skill and the soft skill part. And if you're willing to do so, you can check each result for each candidate. Let's see, for example, this candidate here. You can look at the soft skill part, and you can basically look at the video multiple times or read the transcript. And being based on a behavioral interview, each soft skill is going to have some behavioral drivers, which are going to have their specific rating. On the top right corner right here, you can look at the overall rating for this kind of skills. Plus, you can do the same with the hard skill part. And basically, you're going to look at all the questions that are given. And for the sake of rating, you're going to look at the non-completed answers as wrong answers. And as for the soft skill part, there's the top right, on the top right corner, you can look at the overall result. It's also possible to have a brief report about how the candidate performed. You can have in a light version or a pro version.